Shalom, 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 beautiful people. This is Chevelle in my backyard garden this morning. And I wanted to share with you guys what I still have growing in the garden. So I still have cabbages here. Yeah, I think I put too many here, but that's okay. Whatever grows, we'll eat them. Yeah, so these are my cabbages. And I have some beautiful flowers, daffodil that's pop up. I wanted to show them to you as well. So my daffodils came up. I had them, I planted the little bulbs in the soil not long ago, maybe about a month ago. And now they're finally coming up. I am so excited when I seen them this morning. I was just smiling because they're so beautiful. You just have to see them in person to admire them and appreciate them. And I do have broccoli growing. I'll show that to you. When I least expect, I come out to the garden and I get so excited because I see my broccoli. It's really growing. And I think these are called green giant broccoli. And I have one coming here. And I also have another one coming here. Yeah, so they're coming up. And that's another reason for me to be excited. And let's see. I have some in this location. I have some, but they're not big as the green giant. I'm not sure what broccoli they were, but they're not as big as the green giant. So I think next year, that's all I'm going to be sowing is the green giant. But hey, I'm still going to eat them, so it don't matter. Let me go over here and see the other ones as well. That's a collard green plant. Let's see. And here is one more. So yeah, this is what I still have going on in my garden. Still, of course, I did a harvest on my mustard greens and also did a harvest on some kale, and my garlic is still growing. And I noticed that my other plants that I put in here, I have to clean this bed out every day. This is my bed for my little flowers here. But yeah, I have an inoculate growing here. They're coming up. I have one that's coming up here. I have another one. I had two over here. No, this is just a weed. These weeds be growing, boy. Look at that root. These weeds is a hot mess. Yeah. So, but I do have another inoculant there. I have one growing here as well. I don't know if you can see it, but it's here. And these are my little, I can't think of the name of them, but they look like little monkeys out here. So yeah, and I have another one growing here, two growing here. I have one right here and one right here. So yeah, there is something to be excited because spring is here. Well, it's coming here in Alabama. So I think I'm going to start planning out before the month is over with. So if you're new here, check out my content. Like and subscribe if you like the content. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for watching again. Thank you guys. Shalom. Be blessed and happy gardening.